4. Did you make an H? What size of H is that?
T.
What?
T.
Teeny? Or it was a T? That's a very small H. Look at all these other H's you've been making. What other letters do you know how to make? Do you know how to make an X? That's a good X. That's a big X. This is a nice H. And this is a very good H. Very nice work. That's a very tall, skinny H. Can you have your mouth closed for YouTube? You're doing good practicing of your H's. What other letters do you know?
Y.
You know Y? Do you know how to make a Y with your pencil? That was another H. All kinds of H's.